Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanna share what I ate in Malaysia. Let's start, check it out. Hello, I'm in UITM. I'm exchange student, so I wanna try some food in here. Let's go. Hi. Hello. Hello. I'm student, UITM. I'm exchange student.
No speak English.
Oh, no speak English? It's okay. What is this?
No. Huh? First ringgit. Huh?
Daksa? What is name? Name?
Cendol.
Genos? I don't know what is that. Maybe it looks like dessert, right? Dessert? Ow! Dessert. Dessert, right? Hello, can I film this one? Wow! Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
This one is 3 ringgit, right? Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay, let's eat this one. Can I eat here? Oh, can I eat here? Like that. Inside there are bean and ice. This is noodle. I don't know. This looks like green noodle and bean and like that. It's good. Hello. What is this name? Cendol? Come here.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. What is this?
This is what we call cendol.
Oh, cendol.
Okay, the cendol, actually the green things there that we call cendol.
Green thing.
Yes, the green thing there, that is cendol.
It's really sweet.
Actually, the water basically is coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah, coconut. Coconut. And sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, some sugar. Yes. We call it gula melaka.
You like this?
Yeah, I'm got it.
This is famous in here.
Yes. Got cendol.
Really yummy. I love it, this one.
Enjoy.
Okay. Bye.
Alright,
Thank you.
Thank you. Why you try laksa? You do try the laksa one.
What is that?
Laksa.
It's yummy.
It's a little bit spicy.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's based on the fish.
Oh.
A little bit spicy. It's tinggi bit.
Oh, I can try, but
Yes.
how much is spicy? Because I'm not really eat the spicy
and
one.
I know that's why I inform you. It's spicy. For me, it's not spicy at all. But I think for you, it's spicy.
This is really yummy. Delicious. Really delicious. This is like bingsu in Korea, right? Bingsu.
Yeah. Shredded ice, right?
Yeah, right.
Shredded ice, yeah.
Wow. This is only 3 ringgit. I think really affordable, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Affordable. Wow, it's good. Let's finish this one. I really like it. Like that. Bean is really big. Why is really big, right? Bean is really big and this is like take out.
Yeah. Take away.
Take away.
Yes.
Like
Cendol take away.
This is also 3 ringgit, right?
Yes.
Can you see the people? It's really crowded. Wow. Hello. Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. I love you. Hi. What is that?
This is they call
Oh,
tauhu.
how?
Tauhu.
Oh, it's chicken like?
Inside there is chicken.
It's yummy.
Yummy, very
Oh,
nice.
really?
Yeah.
Okay, can I try? I wanna get it. What is best? This one.
is meat. The one is chicken inside. So you
Ah.
can try this one.
Oh,
You
can
eat
I?
it.
Can I try this one? Wow.
Forget the name.
Tangu?
Tauhu.
Tofu.
Yes.
Like chicken.
Not chicken. Inside there is chicken.
Ah, inside the chicken.
I forget the name in English. But
What is this? Sauce?
yeah, the sauce one is name of the chicken.
Ah.
Okay. You
Okay.
take this one.
Okay. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Okay. It's not
Wow. It looks like really yummy. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this one. Hello. Mmm. Wow.
Saya guna.
Nice. Really nice. Inside there, what is that? Chicken, right?
chicken and some potato inside there.
Inside there are potato and chicken and sauce is a little bit spicy, right?
Yes.
I love this one. Inside
see ya.
is no, bye. Time. Wow, inside really soft. How can you make it?
Tofu.
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 Okay. I love it. 사랑해 this one. South Korea.
Sauce Korea. No. Kicap.
Hmm?
Kicap.
Ketchup? Oh, what is that? Ah, ketchup. So,
Kecap.
Hmm?
Chili.
Chili?
Blend.
Oh, this one. This one is ketchup and what is that? I forgot.
I forgot.
This is only 1 ringgit, right?
1 ringgit.
Wow. It's best.
Best.
I love it here.
And chicken.
Bye bye.
Churros.
Okay. Okay, bye bye. Hello. Okay. Hello. Wow, what is that?
Pao.
Pao. Wow, chocolate? Inside there chocolate? Wow. And inside like that? What?
Red bean.
What is best seller?
Red bean.
This one?
Ini coconut.
Inside there are coconut? This one.
Ini red bean.
This one?
Cream. Sweet cream.
Oh my god. I have to try, but I don't know what is that.
Yeah.
Coconut. Can I try this one? One. Okay, one. Can I get it? Okay. Thank you. Wow, it's really hot. Okay, let's try this one. Wow, it's really big. Wow, big. Oh! Oh, this is coconut? Coconut? Really? Wow, here they say this is coconut. Okay, let's try this one. Wow, it's really big and soft, I think. Oh my god! Wow, it's really sweet. Inside there are, I think it's brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And outside is really soft. Hello. Okay, today video is finished. Maybe I will go home. Okay, bye bye. Hello, bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.